ball. This was his idea, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he went and got that bucket, and then he showed me he needed to get the pool. But they're good.
Pretty fun, huh? It's
Maybe
fun
that's
to,
why it's not full yet.
fun to play with water.
Oh, wah! Put it in the pool. In the pool. There we go. In the pool. In the pool. Thank you. Put it on your head. Put it on your head. Ah!
Silly. Don't do everything your daddy says.
Alright, put it on your face. How about in your mouth? Drink some? Can you drink it with your mouth? You're missing. Put it in the pool. Drink some with your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Whoa! That's cold stuff, huh?
Whoa.
Put it in your mouth. You can drink some.
I told you, don't do everything your daddy says. Sometimes he tricks you.
For me? Ah! Your turn. It's getting you. That hose is getting you. There's a lot of water in that pool. It's a cold pool, huh? You're missing. You're in the pool. There you go.
It serves him right for making you get yourself all wet. Wow!